Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how you can upgrade or to make a retrofit for your clima panel from manual to the automatic. You can see I just bought on eBay for a couple euros. So let's get started. We will use a plastic, or if you don't have something like this, you can just use a screwdriver, but be careful to not scratch anything. So I have just pulled out. Now you can see. So we have to unmount all connectors. There are 4. Okay. So I have just removed the old and the manual clima panel. Now I'm curious if it will work, because I just bought it from eBay for a couple euros. So 1, 2, 3, and the 4th. It will come here. Okay, now just pull back. So now let me see. You can see it is working. So you can set up the temperature. This is okay. (16 degrees). The fan, you can hear the fan, how it does work. Recycling. Auto. Only one thing with this retrofit, it will not anymore work to switch the airflow to the legs or to the windows, how you will let from the manual clima. So I have just let it, you see the airflow to the middle, and now just I get airflow only here in the middle. You can now see I have selected down, but don't go down and up, but I have only here, like how I let it selected from the manual. Now if you think you can just drive how you will let set from the manual clima, you can just buy a automatic clima from eBay, or someone have one maybe, but like how I say, it's only plug and play. All connectors are the same, only that the airflow you will not can move. So how I let it from the manual, in the middle you can just see, only so will work. But the other functions, it will work like how you want. So temperature, it is working. So ventilator, recycling, clima compressor. Only the airflow, it will not work. So if you like it, enjoy it, please subscribe or let a like. I don't know, stay in tune, it will come more videos. So until next time, bye.